Hello Windows Universe, Michael with the Windows Club, bringing you another video to make your digital life just a little bit easier. Now, just as in Windows 7 or Windows 8, Windows 10 also has the snipping tool that allows you to take screenshots or snippets. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the snipping tool and give out some neat tricks to make using it a whole lot better. And as usual, we will link an article in the description that will go more in depth. The snipping tool is an excellent tool for capturing either an entire screen or snips of an entire screen. For most users, you find it in the Start menu under the Windows accessories, or you type snipping tool in the search bar. Now, once you find it, you'll see that you can also pin it to the Start menu or pin it to the taskbar. But if you're someone who might actually need it more than that, you can create a hotkey to open it at the push of a button. So what you would do is you open the file location, you'll right-click on Snipping Tool, you'll click on Properties. Now, as you see, that in Properties, I have under the shortcut key F5 picked as the button that I would push. If you wanted something else, like say you wanted F3 or F8, whichever one's comfortable for you. Once you pick it, you pick Apply, Continue, OK, and from then on, when you press the hotkey button you've picked, Snipping Tool should open. Now, in Snipping Tool, you'll notice that under Mode, you have the option of 4 different ways to do a snip. Freeform Snip lets you draw and capture any irregular part of the screen if you wanted like an oval or a circle, or you just wanted somehow to do a snip outside of Rectangular Snip, which basically creates your rectangular snip. Windows Snip, this will allow you, for instance, if you wanted that particular browser or dialog box to be snipped, that's the button you would use. And if you want everything that's on your screen, from the tabs at the bottom, whatever browser tabs and everything, you would just press that button. Now, let's say we did a full screen snip. If you notice that when you're in viewing the snip, you've got a pen, a highlight, and a highlighter. So if we wanted to bring attention to something in particular, we could use the pen thing. If we wanted to highlight a section, we of course could use the highlighter. If we made a mistake, we could just hit the eraser, and then plus, if you wanted to edit it in Paint 3D, as you see, there's a button up there for you to do that as well. Now, once you take your snip, you see that you have options. You can save it, you can copy it if you wanted to copy and paste it to a document or to an email. And for emails, if you wanted to send the snip, you could send it to an email recipient, or you could also send it as an attachment in an email. Now, do you use the snipping tool? What are some of the things that you've used the snipping tool for? And have you discovered any neat features or tricks that you'd like to share? Let us know in the comments. And for information on this and thousands of other tips, tricks, hacks, fixes, and the latest Windows news, visit our website at thewindowsclub.com. And do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always releasing new videos on how to get the most out of your digital life. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.